Revision to version 491. A new format is available, Portrait.
Doctor, we can create reels now.
I know, but they have many problems.
Really?
Yes, the first one is the background. You can't select the area of the background that you want to show. So be wise selecting your background. You will have to test them all.
This one works?
Backgrounds like this one need a little adjustment. Just zoom it out. Only half of the sound effects is available. The old issues hadn't been corrected. Launching the app takes too long. You will have the black screen for quite a long time. The best solution for this is to turn off your phone, turn it on again, to launch the app faster. But now you can also lock the props. When the lock is closed, you can move the prop. When the lock is open, you can't move the prop. When using portrait mode, the play button will be just above the next frame button. The control for the character position is harder to use at the edges. Despite its flaws, many people might like it. We have seen a few problems with the speech bubbles. It's hard to work with them because the keyboard uses half of the screen and you can control the menus. Oh no, crashes again! After 20 frames, crashes are more common. Despite having problems with the text bubbles, background adjustments, half of the sound effects, and some crashes, the new feature of Reels works. Thank you, subscribers. You have a few hours priority. Thank you for watching.